Have you been watching all this roots tech stuff thinking, I think I want to choose connection, but I'm not really sure where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. Come check us out at the 21-Day Family Connections Experiment. The experiment is made from a group of volunteers who wanted to share the power of connection with other people. It's a compilation of fun and easy ideas and a great way for you to gauge the benefits of connecting more with your family. We believe that it will help you improve your mood and other psychological benefits for both you and your family. So let's go check it out. Let's look at how easy it is to choose connection using the 21-Day Family Connections Experiment. Start off by visiting our website at www.connections-experiment.com. Then come down here and definitely take a second to check out our Connections Idea Generator. You'll have tons of 5-minute ideas on how to connect each day. But once you're ready to really commit, click on Start Here, and you can start exploring what the experiment's all about. Watch our short video that will cover a little bit more of the details and how the experiment works. Then scroll down and click Count Me In. Then you'll have joined our community and committed to improving your emotional well-being and that of your families by connecting more. Next, be sure to put in your name and email address so we can send you a how-to guide. That's going to give you really great instructions and ideas on how to use these resources effectively for you and your family. After that, scroll down, connect to our community. That will give you a whole group of people that you can lean on for support, that you can share your successes with, and that you can enjoy hearing about their successes as well. And then last but not least, in fact, probably most important, come down to explore the different ways that we've provided for you to connect. Of course, you can do it on your own, but we, this big group of volunteers, have tried to put in all that we know, all that we can to make it easier and more fun for you to connect with your family. So check out our 21-day plans. We have 21 plans, and they're all themed to help you connect in easy and fun ways. Check out our evidence page. Our evidence page is just a compilation of the research we found that's been done, and articles and webinars and TED Talks that teach more about how important it is to connect and why. And then our results page is the results of people just like you. We've compiled it into something that makes it so that you can see how much improvement people are having as they try this experiment. I'm going to click on plans so that you can see how that works, because this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time in the experiment. So once you're to our plans page, go ahead and scroll down and look at the different themes. We have this See More Plans button, and this is where we have so many different topics. We've got DNA and heritage connections and everyday connections and family reunion and tech and all sorts of different ones. So go ahead and click on one, and it will take you to that plans page. Read a little bit about the plan at the top, and then once you've decided, yep, this is the plan for me, go ahead and click Pre-Experiment Survey. That's going to ask you a few questions about your overall well-being, and then at the end, come back and take our Post-Experiment Survey. I think you'll be super delighted to discover that you overall feel a lot better emotionally. This is an informal experiment, but we've had so many great results, and we invite you to come and try it. These plans are filled with easy, quick, and fun ways to connect. So come, try it out with us.
Choose connection. Join